Hey everyone, and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, we're going to make strawberry and rhubarb cobbler. First of all, we want to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to take a stick of butter and cut it up. And I'm using an aluminum pan today. You can use a glass one or whatever you want to do. But I've just cut up my stick of butter, and we're going to put that in a preheated 350 degree oven and get that melting. Then we're going to add a cup of sugar, a cup of flour, and a cup of milk. And we're going to whisk that together until it's well blended. Be sure to spray your baking dish with a non-stick cooking spray. That way it won't stick. And then our butter is melted, so we're going to pour in our mixture in our pan. And then I couldn't find fresh rhubarb in the store right now because of the time of season, so I got this online. It's strawberry rhubarb fruit topping or pie filling, so we're going to use that. And we're going to put that on top of the batter. And we're going to spread it on throughout our little pan here. Oops. And then the crust, it'll bake over top of the filling. If you get it all mixed up like this, you'll about have to because it's kind of solid. We'll have to push it around there. And we're going to put this in our oven and bake for about an hour or until it's golden brown. I actually baked this for about an hour and 15 minutes to get it to the brownness that I wanted it, and it smells amazing and it looks amazing. You can serve this with ice cream or just eat it by itself. And if you've liked my video and found it to be informative, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you soon. Thank you.